Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in. And today I have a little baby here. It's not a silicone baby, it's hard rubber, I would say. I'm not sure what this is made of, but anyway, I bought it in a bargain store about a year ago and I did make some creations with it. So today I am planning to make a little room here for this baby. This is a foam cooler and I added a Dollar Tree battery operated light to it. So I also have some decorative paper here that I've been looking at, and I'm going to show it to you in a minute. But first I want to show you the crib. So as you can see, the crib is shaped as a bone. So this is to put dog treats in there, and I bought it at a yard sale a while back, probably like 2 years ago. Anyway, so I made a previous creation, and in that creation what I did to this bone here, to this crib, was that I added some white straws to make a rail on this side, and I think I also added them to this side. But I took them off because I had this put away for a while and I didn't want it to get ruined. So I might add the straws, I'm not sure. But today we're just decorating this cooler here. So I also added this little rubber bear. I have a few of these, but I went with the yellow because I want to stick to the yellow, green, blue. I steered away from the pink in this creation. So let me set this aside and let me show you the paper that I have here. So like I said, in this creation I want to steer away from the pink. This is cute. Yes, it's cute and I love it, of course, but I was thinking more something like this. So I have this yellowish green paper, and then this one has all those shades, the blue, the green, the yellow. So I think that I'm going to be using these two. I mean, I also have this one. This one's more blue than yellow, but I think I'm going to go with that combination. But I just want to show you what I have here. And then I have the ABCs. This could be a bit more for like a toddler room. And then I have some pink here, which I'm steering away from. So why don't we just use this? So I am going to start with this one for the wall. So I'm going to place this one right in the background here. And I'm not affixing anything with any tape or glue or nothing like this. This is temporary. This is just for the creation. I'm going to be dismantling it. Okay, so this is what the wall looks like. Now I'm going to add that other one that I showed you. It's kind of yellow. So I'm going to add it to that. And now I have my flooring. So I have the floor and the wall. So I also have something here. Look at this. I have this piece that I can make into a lamp. So let's see, where did I place my little lamp? Okay, so this is from the Dollar Tree. I bought these recently. They come in packs of 2. And they are really potent. Look at that. Look at all the light that it gives off. Oops. So I was thinking of placing this here like that. Oops. I could place it like that, but I don't want to. I'd rather do this. Okay, so that's going to be my lamp. So why don't we place it somewhere in the corner there? Okay, so I think it looks pretty nice. So let's add the baby to this creation. You see how the lamp, being that this piece is a tall piece, if it was any shorter than that, then, you know, the light would be like up to here, but I raised the light by placing this in there. So yes, so I think this is gonna be part 1 of the making of this room, but I do like the way it's looking. I like that color combination with the bear and everything inside the crib. So what do you think? Do you like that combination instead of the pink? let me know in the comments below. And I will be back. I think I am going to add those rails to this crib so that it can look more like a baby room. And maybe I'll add like a little frame there. And let's see what I can place on this side and on this side. Alrighty, well, I think that this is it. I hope that you have enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.